What's happening YouTube by Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Lention USB-C digital AV multiport adapter. Basically this is a mount for your iPad Pro. Today we're gonna look at how well it does. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can notify when next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my blog 113.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, if you want to mount on your desk or something like that and you want to convert your newest iPad Air or maybe iPad Pro to something like this so that it looks like a desktop when you are at home, then you'll be able to do that with this. So let's go ahead and show you what it could do. Here we go. Yeah, so basically, for those of you who love to use your iPad, like me before, I used to use my iPad for editing, have a keyboard connected to it, mouse as well. This is the best for you. So all in one computer, right? So here we go. Let's go ahead and open this up. See what we get. Some literature right here. This is the hub right here. There you go. Pretty cool. And that's it. There you go. Let's see what's in this little thing right here. Get a little screwdriver right there. Some base right there as well. There you go, and that's it for that. Now in here, we're going to go ahead and show you how to assemble it. Pretty quick here. All you need to do is put this over here, like so. And then we're going to put the screws back here, like so. There you go. There's 3 in there, so make sure you just tighten them up. There you go. Once that's done, all you need to do is put the base plate right here. Little grip bottoms right there. You're just gonna stick it in the bottom like so. There you go. Make sure to not forget to take off little plastic there. There you go. Nice grip down there. Now we're gonna mount this real easy by just putting that like so. There you go, and then you can adjust it to however height you want it. Now you're gonna take this and throw it around the back like that, and then you're gonna take the iPad like so, put it right here. There you go, and then you can then plug this in on the side. Now this is the close-up look of the Lention stand. And basically on the side, as you can see here, it has a headphone jack right there, a USB-C port right there for charging. There's also the HDMI right there. On the top, there's the micro SD slot and also the SD card slot right there. And on the other side, As you can see, it has two USB 3 ports right there. Now let's go ahead and test it out with our iPad. Like I said, real easy. You just have to toss it up there. Now once you got that going there, all you need to do is just put that on the side like so. There you go. It's nice that it's also 90 degrees so that it's out of the way as well. Pretty cool. Now usually the Apple Pencil is up here, but if you really wanted to, you can put that over here as well. Now, for example, let's go ahead and put this on there so to charge it. There you go. Show you up there that it is charging. Be able to put an SD card there as well. Pretty good. And put an micro SD in there as well. Here we go. We're just gonna access our files here. Basically, if you go here, it'll show you all the things that we have. So for example, Lumix is our SD card there. You'll be able to see all your footage there, as you can see there. Then Untitled is our micro SD card. Then you'll be able to transfer data as well from there. There you go. Back here as well, as I mentioned earlier, we can put a headphone jack right there. Headphone jack as well, all you need to do is just test it out here and see how well it does. As you can see there, it's able to play it from straight to the headphone jacks. Pretty cool. So here, the other thing too is you can put the HDMI in there to have a double screen. There you go. You'll be able to show off your screen right there and then work off a monitor like so. Pretty cool. At the same time, you can also plug your iPhone on there to charge your iPhone. There you go. Now I understand that there's only two USB slot there, but that's okay because you can use actually Bluetooth so that you can have keyboard and mouse for your iPad. But if you do want them wired, then just to make sure that there's only two left there, so be reminded of that. Now for example, you're on the go and you want to use this as a normal hub. You can just pull it out from the back like so. Really easy. And then you're good to go. You can go around and use this as a normal hub. Pretty cool. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a brand new stand and hub all in one for your iPads. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.